Alright, we are going to do a super speedy dinosaur face. We're going to give him big eyes that go up high like this, and then you go underneath with the black to outline the bottom. So you got black on all the edges. Then we're going to give him a cheek that's going to run right over the mouth. You could also do a fast frog or turtle at this point with this design. And then we're going to cover his nose with some scary bumpage in his nostrils. Put the light color down the middle of the nose. Then we just need to go under, make it a little extra pink. We'll go under here, and fill in these empty spots really quick. So fill that in. And then we just outline that top of that nose again really quickly so that we can see it better. And now we're gonna take a brush that's loaded with white and black, and we're gonna add some teeth. Right across the lips. These are big crazy teeth. He's one of those wild dinosaurs. And I'll just fill that in there, and we'll give him some nostrils. And maybe a couple scales. Scale, 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 and some nostril blows. And he is looking fabulous. All right, Dino, wanna look at the camera? Oh my